To fix a non-functioning blinker on a trailer, several possible causes should be considered. Faulty wiring connections are a common issue, and to address this, the wiring connections between the vehicle and trailer should be checked for any frayed or damaged wires. Additionally, rust or corrosion at the connection points should be removed. Another potential cause is blown fuses, which can be identified by locating the fuse box that controls the trailer lights and inspecting each fuse visually. If a blown fuse is found, it should be replaced, and the connections should also be checked. If the fuses are functioning properly, the next step is to test the blinkers. Grounding issues can also be a cause, and to fix this, it is essential to ensure each light on the trailer is securely grounded to the frame. Any pinched, cut, or frayed wires that can disrupt the circuit and cause blinker problems should be identified and addressed. Using a circuit tester to diagnose the entire circuit supporting the blinker can be helpful. Once these steps have been taken, the blinkers should be tested again to ensure they are working properly. By following these steps, a non-functioning blinker on a trailer can be effectively fixed.